Part 2 got some better scissors.
It's back.
Did you test them to see if they work better? No.
Oh, they will. I'm gonna take that out.
So, the progress. Gotta cut it.
I'm gonna cut the eye.
That's its eye.
Can I cut some? I'm gonna cut its feet off. Comment down below if you want part of the unicorn. Do it. Allie got what she wanted. Whoa.
Does it feel nice?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, so wait, let me show them real quick. Here's what it looks like. Should I cut mine open? Here's this thing on it. It's eyes. And here is what it turned out.
It smells like a squishy, I think.
Here's what it
Allie,
turned
it
out.
smells like a squishy. Smell it.
It is very nice. I really like it. And yeah. That's how it is. You guys should cut these open.
I have one.
You guys should definitely cut yours open if
Come
you
back
have
for
one.
part 3 for June's.
One's at my dad's. I mean, my mom.
Go get it.
So yeah, that's that. Bye bye.